Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas, and welcome to another video. And before we get started, as usual, I ask everyone to click on that subscribe button that's down below so that you can receive the next video that I record. My videos are about marketing online, online marketing tools, programs that you might want to get involved with that I am promoting. And you're not obligated to do so, but I love for people to look at what I'm offering as far as making an income from their very own home from their computer. And this is a good way to get started. Is building capture pages, and by building capture pages, you're gonna start collecting subscribers, and those subscribers makes up a list, which will be your contact list, where you can promote to them what you might be promoting or advertising. And the subscribers that subscribe to your page, the one that you create for yourself, something like this one, you're gonna be able to put your own background in there. You're gonna be able to just revise it to what you wanted to say. We have excuse me, we have pre-built capture pages where you can go in and just revise them to what you want to say, or you can build them from scratch. But to get started in building your own capture pages, just put your name, full name, and email address here, and then go over to the page that will instruct you to get started in this with this marketing system. And this marketing system is a business opportunity as well. And I'm not going to hide the name of this marketing system. The marketing system, the name of this company is called the Conversion Pros, and I proudly promote the Conversion Pros because this is a system that I have been using for years now, and I love using it to make different capture pages that I have created. So, in order to get started or to just take a look at it, even to uh, uh, join up for free and take a 7 day free day trial to see if you like it or not. And even before you even pay a dime, you can start making money with this marketing system. All right, put your first name and last name here, and then put a good email address right there so you can receive my messages and you can get started. It's going to take you over to a page, a video where it will tell you how to get started and how the compensation plan is of this marketing system or this business opportunity, whereas you can start making 50% on everyone that comes into your business from your capture pages that you have created. Okay, I am the Elder Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. You all have a wonderful day or night. Bye bye now.